Scott, we were just talking about those financial ETFs. We know that financials and the tech have been the weakest spots in the Dow. So let's talk about these tech stocks and see where we're going with them. I mean, clearly, Apple is the one that everybody's been following. Apple has looked a little bruised.
Yes, and it's at that crucial point. We've talked about the 200-day. We've talked about this 330 to 325 level, and we are here. Look at this area. This has been a long support that's been holding since, I would say, January. So right now, you have to have all eyes on this 324.88. If this were to break and close below it, you have a move to about 320. And if we start piercing this area, if we start breaking, I got to show you this because I was looking at it before. This long, did I say long, Deb?
You said long.
Long-term trend line. We're going way back. Here we are, all the way up, and look where we're at right now. So we haven't seen this break in a while, so if this starts to break, this could actually give us clues that we might be in for a much deeper correction versus the 7 to 9% that we're in the process of right now.
Well, I know if I want to buy Apple, I want to buy it while it's on sale.
And where's that for you?
That's back when Steve Jobs was sick.
Okay,
I don't know if we're going to get back to that.
This is now, so maybe we break that area. 300 will be really huge, but we have to get through this 325 first.
All right, let's talk about Netflix because a lot of people are in that stock as well, and it's not done very well either.
Well, lately we just talked about a technical pattern, the Red Dog reversal on Netflix. It was a sell signal. Most people in my community got out there, and if you look at the size of this run, you need to be careful. I want to take a closer look here where you'll see what I'm talking about. This was that potent down bar. It made a new high, came back below, got a lot of people out, and now we have a tight range here. If Netflix were to start breaking below 256 to 254, some traders are going to probably short it for a move down below 250 to about 248. Right now, I think it's more of a short than a long in this type of market environment.
All right, what about Amazon? Because it showed a little bit of strength in the morning, but then it seemed like it couldn't hold.
Well, people weren't sure whether or not the market was going to build on Tuesday's gains, so if strong stocks were going to go, this was one of them, and then it reversed at that EMA at 191, and now this 185 is crucial. If you look here on Amazon, I know a lot of my traders are going to be watching to see if they could short this, because look, you had a high, close below, very bearish bar near the bottom here. If this were to break below this 185 and close below it, you're going to see a move down to this 181 area and then maybe even 175 if things get severe. So right now, this was your exit as an investor. This could be another potential short right around this 185.
All right, what about Sina? Because it looks like it's heading lower to that 200-day moving average as well.
Yeah, with Sina and Baidu, they both have been crushed. They've both been one of those areas that you could lean on short. There's been a little bit of action, but everyone's been talking about the 200-day, and now we're getting there. Let me just show you one of them on Sina. I believe that area is about 182, 181, and we're very close. Just want to give you a quick heads up because patterns repeat themselves. This was your exit. This was that upper pennant. Broke to the downside. Here was your way out if you're an investor. Now down here, there could be some opportunities. So if you're flat this, look for a trade and maybe as a small little investment, but only for those willing to take on a lot of risk.
All right.